Welcome to TaxPlanIQ. We are very excited to show you how to create a tax plan in our new 3.0 version. Your very first step is going to be to click right here on that Upload Document button. You'll then be able to choose the 1040 that you wish to upload. Once you've chosen that, it will bring you right here to the screen where you can either pick an existing client from the drop-down menu or create a new client. And that's what I'm going to do today. So I'm going to start by entering the plan name for this plan I am creating. I'm going to call this one Eloise Phase 1. We'll enter the client's first and last name, and then we can choose the filing status. We're going to choose married filing joint today. Now we can enter those related parties. So I'm going to choose from my drop-down menu right here and give that related party a name. Once you have entered all of those related parties, you can then click that Upload button. This will take you back to the client list where you can find your client's name and see that that 1040 is processing. So we're going to scroll down right here. There's Eloise, and we can see that it is processing. That processing should take around 1 to 2 minutes. You can always click on that refresh button right here on the top right along the way if you'd like to refresh to see if that plan is ready to be created. Once that processing is done, you can click on that blue Create Plan button. Here we will come in and take a look at our client details that have populated for us. That total tax and taxable income will be imported right off of the 1040. We also have some rates that will automatically be filled in for you as well. That effective rate, the marginal rate, our cap gains rate, and the C-Corp flat rate will all automatically populate for you. Then you can come in and choose your client's home state. We'll enter that individual state rate and the corporate state rate. And now we can click that Save and View Suggested Strategies button. Here we can take a look at all of the strategies that were suggested from that scan. You can scroll down through the list here. When you are ready to add those to your tax plan, you can either drag and drop them just like that, or you can click on the arrow right here to move that to your selected tax strategies list. Once you've selected all of the strategies that you want to put on your tax plan, you can click that Add Strategies and Review button. Here we will begin to enter the information for each particular tax strategy. So we'll come in first and enter the related party, enter our goal task date. That start year is automatically there for us, as is the plan amount. You can edit those if you choose to. We'll choose our appropriate state rate, and then once we've entered all of that, we'll check that Review and Add to Plan box right up there at the top. Now we can click on the next strategy and begin doing the process again. Choose our related party, our goal task date, and our state associated rate. Once we have validated all of the strategies on our list, we can then click the Add Reviewed Strategies to the Plan button. Here we have some tasks that will generate for you. You can always change your goal task date right here. If you're ready to proceed, just click on that blue Create button. This will bring you back directly to the tax plan. Here we can see those strategies that we selected, and once you have added all of the strategies to the plan that you're going to use, you can then add your fees. We'll come right over here to this Fees button. You can always utilize that suggested fee calculator right there. If you're ready to directly add your fees, just click on that Add New Fee button. Here we can come in and choose our type and the amount and give that fee a name. There we go. Let's fix our spelling and click the blue Add button. Here that fee will show up right on your tax plan. You can always then jump over and check your return on investment, which is essentially a one-page summary of the tax plan you have created, and your presentation. And this will be pretty much your sales pitch to your client. You can look through the presentation and the return on investment and be ready to go for your client meetings. So happy tax planning!